Putapang is one of the village along Mekong River, and of course along Mekong River there is a high contamination of arsenic, and we have investigated that this area people are relying mostly on rainwater, but during dry season people have no rainwater, they have to rely on drinking water from the well, and definitely they use the well water that is contaminated by arsenic, so we have to install the arsenic removal system in this area.
Arsenic is so poisonous, we're talking very trace amounts can cause huge problems. Moreover, it's odorless and tasteless, so most times people have no idea they're actually consuming it. The Tagore Sengupta Foundation won the 2011 Reed Elsevier Water Challenge, and the idea is to turn an economic, or turn a crisis, a water crisis, into an economic opportunity. I'm involved with this through This Life Cambodia, to think about the social and community development side of the system. It's not a matter of technology, it's a matter of getting people to use the system. Right now, the water system in Potapang is not up to full capacity. And the reason is not an issue of technology. It's oftentimes an issue of knowledge. Do people know about the system and what it actually can do? Sometimes people are not rational. So even if there is a site 50 meters away that you can get access to clean, arsenic-free water, many people will still not use that because it's easier to go to the water well right outside of their home.
Angka អភិវឌ្ឍធនធានអន្តរជាតិយើងមានឱកាសនៅក្នុងការចូលរួមចំណែកជួយដល់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋនៅក្នុងភូមិពូតប៉ាងខ្លាចឈឺច្រើនណាខូចសុខភាពទាំងបានអង្គការមានពិសោធន៍ធ្វើទឹកស្អាតហ្នឹងចាធាតុគីមីផ្សេងទៀតដែលអាចនឹងប៉ះពាល់ទៅដល់សុខភាពប្រជាជនក៏ត្រូវបានច្រោះចេញផងដែរហើយនៅក្នុងនោះដែរមានសារធាតុបាក់តេរីឬក៏យើងខ្មែរយើងហៅថាមេរោគក៏ត្រូវបានច្រោះចេញពីទឹកដែលចេញពីប្រព័ន្ធចម្រោះទឹកនឹងដែរ
This is a raisin tank, and of course you can see from here is the water that flow in from sand filter. First, the water from the contaminated well pass through the sand filter. Big particle is removed from the sand filter. The sand filter will pass through the resin, which is technical part. This resin have the ability to remove the arsenic from the water, and then you get the clean water for the people to use.
ខាងអង្គការបង្រៀនយល់ដឹងច្រើនថាចម្រោះហ្នឹងច្រោះស្អាតជាតិអាសេនិកជាតិគីមីជាតិពុលបានទឹកចេញមកស្អាតយើងប្រើមានសុខភាពល្អជាជនក្នុងភូមិហ្នឹងប្រើពេលខែប្រាំងប្រើបានគ្រប់គ្នាប៉ុន្តែដល់ខែភ្លៀងគេមានអាងឬពាងធំជាងស្តុបទឹកភ្លៀងគេប្រើទឹកភ្លៀងដល់ពេលអស់ទឹកភ្លៀងទៅខែប្រាំងគេប្រើទឹកស្អាតនឹងដូចគ្នា រូងនឹងយកមកយើងដាក់ជាតិយើងដាក់ដបអីអានេះពិសោធន៍គេនោះយើងឃើញទាំងអស់គ្នាពេលផ្សព្វផ្សាយហ្នឹងយើងយកខាងអង្គការយកដបមកដាក់ថ្នាំពិសោធន៍អីចឹងមើលទៅឃើញទាំងអស់គ្នាថាអត់មានជាតិអាសេនិកអីចឹងណាចឹងបានថាគម្រោងមួយហ្នឹងសំខាន់មែនតើតែយើងមិននឹកស្មានថាមានគម្រោងហ្នឹងដែលធ្វើជាតិអាសេនិកអស់អញ្ចឹងណា